Cera Care Review, Blood Sugar Support Ingredients. Before we start, please subscribe and activate the notification bell. Cera Care Review. As most people now know, it is highly necessary to retain decent blood sugar levels if one wishes to lead a long and stable life. Maintaining blood sugar levels will help reduce various kinds of complications, such as kidney and cardiac problems. Besides, having good levels of blood sugar also ensures that the total energy levels can improve. Thus, with safe amounts of blood sugar, people might not suffer from diabetes. That's why it's highly important to have safe levels of blood sugar. Users can do this in many ways, such as running or balanced dining. However, Cera Care may help one reach such goals easier and faster. The product claims that it works well to ensure that users retain stable blood sugar levels. This video responds to the question of can Cera Care assist users in managing the general health and blood sugar levels? To solve this puzzle, the video will consider feedback from former Cera treatment users to see where they conform with what the creator says. Before that, here is an overview of the powerful blood sugar support. Click the first link in the description below to order Cera Care with the most discounted price today. What is Cera Care? Cera Care is an effective formula for supporting blood sugar. It promotes optimal blood circulation and healthy glucose metabolism using a concentrated natural antioxidant formulation. Moreover, the innovative Cera Care blood sugar remedy recipe is only available on Cera Care's official website. The mix is based on 8 ingredients plus a combination of 12 additional elements. Cera Care is a useful combination that lets users sustain stable levels of blood sugar. The product helps users avoid various diseases that may impact users in the future. Of course, other counterparts in the industry claim they help hold healthy levels of blood sugar. So, what is the distinction between Cera Care and them? The first and most noticeable distinction between Cera Care and other supplements is the absence of poisonous and synthetic substances, unlike other products that use synthetic materials and chemicals which may damage users later. Furthermore, the user's feedback confirms that Cera Care uses only natural ingredients. Cera Care is absolutely safe to use blood sugar solution. In fact, anyone who has purchased and used this product was satisfied with the outcomes. Plus, the use of this product does not have any reported harmful effects. According to the official store report, users should then be confident that there's no danger of any side effects in the healthy hands. Cera Care provides a specific 100% natural formula, which helps maintain a healthy blood glucose level. This formula aims to awaken the reaction cycle responsible for people's healing/regenerative capacity to sleep and maintaining a stable amount of blood sugar. To order Cera Care from the official website, please click the first link in the description below. How does the Cera Care supplement work? Cera Care is a nutritional supplement that improves immunity and general health to increase sugar levels. It works much like most food supplements, and after a while, shows users effective results. Users must follow a healthy diet and a proper training regimen with the Cera Care tablet. It's advisable to take Cera Care supplements for roughly 90 days, as per the Cera Care reviews. The machine must be washed, repaired, and renewed, and it takes time. It is, therefore, better to take 3 months for a long-term impact. It also varies based on age, size, other illnesses, etc. Users will enjoy the benefits over a longer period if they have taken this supplement Cera Care for a decent time. Users must follow a healthy diet, and the body is not idle. Therefore, healthy exercise and a balanced diet are important when users eat Cera Care. Click the first link in the description below to order Cera Care now. Cera Care ingredients. Cera Care utilizes an organic proprietary blend in manufacturing this supplement. The major components of this formula are juniper berry. Natural insulin is called juniper berry. Vitamin C and antioxidants are high in them. After intake, they induce anti-inflammatory and antioxidant results. They will reduce the blood sugar levels while raising the user's system's healthy cholesterol. It also saves users from chronic coronary conditions. The root of licorice. Diabetes can be relieved from inflammation with the help of the licorice root. It has high anti-inflammatory and antibacterial effects. The sugar cravings also decline, which lowers sugar consumption. Banana leaves. It contains more than 40 bioactive compounds and provides many health advantages. They work best to lower blood sugar levels due to a high content of coricylic acid and ellagic acid. Coricylic acid acts to improve insulin sensitivity and thus increase glucose movement in cells. The bark of cinnamon. This normally features antioxidants that lead to the elimination of contaminants, containing not enough vitamins or minerals. Cinnamon bark reduces the body's oxidative stress. It saves users from diabetes or reduces blood sugar levels. Insulin sensitivity may also be improved, and insulin imitated if desired. Yarrow flower. The yarrow flora is a great relief for people with diabetes, with inulin present. It helps control the blood sugar level since it contains fructose rather than glucose. It fits well both for bowel movement and digestion. After intake with its special properties, it will not raise sugar levels. Gugul. Gugul is a gum resin extracted from many Indian, Bangladeshi, and Pakistani species. This is particularly used for obesity and inflammation in Ayurvedic therapies for centuries. It is known for its anti-inflammatory and weight loss characteristics. Gugul is particularly effective in lowering blood sugar levels in people with type 2 diabetes. It is the treatment of elevated cholesterol and acne. Bitter melon. One of the most important ingredients for making Ceracare is a fruit, which helps to decrease sugar levels. It can serve as insulin and is thus a natural alternative. More so, they even help keep the body's nutrients. It is bundled with minerals, enzymes, and vitamins. White mulberry leaf. This herb has been used in herbal medicine for several years and includes numerous medicinal properties. It is filled with various nutrients, including vitamins, antioxidant polyphenols, etc. It inhibits high carbohydrate and thus lowers the amount of sugar in the intestines. It indicates a drop in the sugar content after meal intake is eaten. You can order Ceracare now by clicking the first link in the description below. Benefits of Ceracare blood sugar support. It is an effective remedy for blood sugar levels. Ceracare has a potent combination of solid, clinically engineered natural antioxidants to support blood sugar in the body. Everything used in the production process is natural. As seen from the official products store, this cutting-edge formula naturally aims to make the blood sugar and regenerative potential responsible for the feedback loop that lies asleep inside users. It supports the blood sugar goals of its users. The creator considers it to be ideal as it promotes in various ways. For example, the awesome recipe of Ceracare is more natural than any other detoxification ingredient. Also, Ceracare is a natural complement with strong antioxidants that help detoxify and support users' blood glucose levels. Ceracare enhances the health of the whole body. Here is what the product's creator promises to all users. It helps in supporting blood sugar. Enable users' blood sugar targets help in the innate capacity of the body to remain healthy. It enhances blood health. Strong antioxidants help facilitate the circulation of the blood. Ceracare boosts the energy and vitality of its buyers. Improves energy well-being, tiredness, and increased stamina. Order Ceracare for the most discounted price by clicking the first link in the description below. The proper use of the formula. It is safest to eat 2 capsules a day before meals, as described in Ceracare reviews. Half a bottle of water should be used. Ceracare capsules are prescribed half an hour before dinner. Consumers should not eat more than is advised. It is not a medicated pill with any real condition, but only a nutritional supplement that boosts the user's physical health in the right way. It is highly advised that Ceracare be stopped if users are younger than 18 years old. It is advisable to contact a doctor before beginning a food supplement if users have a previous illness or disease. Safety factors. Ceracare works with users of nearly all age groups. Besides, many other users' reports suggest that the product can be a safe and reliable remedy if users use it as guided. In their 30s to 70s, it performed wonders. As readers can see from customer feedback on the internet, the Ceracare formulation is, at the same time, very gentle yet strong. The maker adds that a product that can be 100% natural, safe, and efficient is Ceracare. Tens of thousands of people like to take Ceracare each day, and no complaint about side effects is received. For 60 days today, users should check out Ceracare with a 100% money return guarantee, without any queries. Click the first link in the description below to order Ceracare from its official website. Pricing and where to buy Ceracare. As with the seller, Dr. Ricardo Alvarez says that 3 or 4 bottles may be ordered since a single bottle lasts for just 1 month. He claims that a user would take a Ceracare capsule for at least 3 months, so purchasing more than a bottle is safest. The bottle of Ceracare costs $69 and is a 30-day capsule supply. The 90-day shipment of 3 Ceracare supplements is $59 per bottle, worth $177, along with shipping costs. Users can also buy 6 bottles for $49 per bottle for a total of $294 plus the delivery fee. They also give users a 60-day 100% cashback guarantee if users are not happy with Ceracare and thought it didn't work for users. A 60-day money return guarantee is also available on the official website of Ceracare. Within 60 days of purchase, this is a direct refund, no questions asked. Users should use this deal if, for some reason, they don't like Ceracare. People may only take advantage of this risk-free and full refund scheme by purchasing Ceracare on its official website. Ordering from their official website is best recommended. That is because of the strong retail demand for Ceracare, many bogus sellers. Therefore, it is safest to shop on the official website to be on the better side. If users purchase Ceracare supplement from their website, they can also secure a cashback discount. Check Ceracare discounted price by clicking the first link in the description below. Ceracare review final verdict. In the conclusion of this Ceracare review and from the details gathered, all in all, based on the claims made by both the creator and the customers, Ceracare can help enhance the levels of blood sugar. According to Dr. Ricardo Alvarez, Ceracare is a sufficient remedy for people with diabetes. Besides, he feels that it helps users regulate their blood sugars, but it also guarantees a balanced life. As noted on the official page, the creator uses all natural foods and high nutritional qualities. The organic extracts are mostly concentrated to support the sugar level and have anti-inflammatory values. Laden with antimicrobial agents, the body is quickly cleansed by breaking down toxins. Ceracare seems to be a great supplement that stands true to the promise with a money return guarantee. Act now and take full advantage.